Hello and welcome students. Today we are doing MS Excel project, that is Excel module 2 SAM project 1A, and it is from the course 365 and 21. You can see module 1 SAM project, and the title of this is the same that it is in the one, and we'll be importing tables and modifying tables and table properties. We'll be playing around those kind of stuffs. So make sure to replace your name, replace your start file with 2, and also make sure that you have downloaded these files before starting the project. So if you want me to do this project, just feel free to text me on the WhatsApp that is given at the top right corner, and you can email me also, which is given at the top left corner. So if you can contact me for the MS Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, Finance, Business, Statistics, and any of those assignments, you can just feel free to text me, even the English and psychology as well. So let's get started with it. You can see there are a total of 15 steps, and at the end, at the sum of the steps, we have a screenshots how the project will look like. Sorry. So moving to step number 1, most of the data that you need for the global human resource consultant database is currently stored in Excel workbooks. Use the Import Spreadsheet Wizard to import the data from the Excel clients support and append it to the client table. Do not analyze the data after importing. First of all, we have to import the data from this Excel sheet, the clients. So for this, you will need to go to the external data tab, and here you will find a new source data, and at this time we need to import from the Excel, that is in the desktop important stuff, in this one, and here I will find access, and here this will be access to, and here is the clients. So it's quite far away. So this is the file, and it says that support and append it to the clients table. So here you will find append a copy and from here you will select the clients table. This is the clients table. Next it says do not analyze the table after importing the data. Do not save the steps. We just need to keep on doing that. Do not save the steps. Just close it. Now it says open client table in Datasheet View. It should look like figure 1. This is figure 1. So I'm opening client table in Datasheet View. One is bio line, and the 15 is INX. It's pretty much the same. Now it says close it. So we have closed it. Now moving to part number 2, that is more consultants were recently hired to prepare for a project increase in business. Use the from file option with an import link to import the data from the text supported file and append it to the consultant table. Again go here, and here you will find a text file. You will find it, and here the consultant text. Append a copy to the consultant. Do not analyze the table and do not save the steps. So just go and save the click the next button and finish it. Now it says that's it. Consultant works on projects such as creating websites for internal communications, I use the from file database to import and link data to project database. Okay, support file to the database. Import the table project from the project database. Okay, from here I will go to the access. It is a projects database. I should have the support file. Okay, I do not have the support file. I don't know why, but I will make you understand. Okay, first of all, go here, and here you will find the support file. Just click that. Let's suppose open it and just click OK, because you're importing. You are not supposed to click this one, so just go with this option and go OK for the next 2 to 3 steps, and that will be done. Okay, so I haven't the support file downloaded. I don't know, I missed it, but I have made you understand. Okay, so the final outlook would be like this. You do not need to do anything else. Okay. Next is, and this one was the project, so we'll be careful for the next steps as well. Open the consultant table in design view. This is the consultant table. We are open the design view, and next stage, the consultant can reside in any country, but many of the consultants reside in the United States. Change the default value property for the reside value to USA. Reside is this one, and you just need to click that, and the default value would be USA. You have to change it. Save the changes, but do not close the table. So I'm just saving it, I'm not closing it. Okay, next is, with the consultant table, open in design view, set the caption property of the first name as a first name for the first name. Okay, I'm just copying it. I'm going to first name, and here in the caption I will write the caption name for the first name as first name, and last name I'm just copying it for the last name. So this is the last name, and this is the caption for the last name. I'm just pasting it. Now save the changes and close the table. This is save and this is close. I hope you're getting me. Next is, open the consultant table in design view. Consultant table in design view. Next it says, sorry, it's the client table. Client table in design view. Change the required property for the client name field to yes. This is the client name, and here you will find a required property. Required, that should be yes. Save the changes to the table and then close it. Because you have changed the required property, the data integrity rules have been changed. Warning message appears. The data is valid, so click no and continue saving. You can see. Do you want the existing data to be tested for a new rule? No, it is already saved. Next, open the consultant table in Datasheet View. First of all, close it. Consultant table in Datasheet View. Apply the currency number format to the salary field. Where is the salary? This is the salary, and the format, it should be having the currency number format. Sorry, rely from this one, from the currency number format, and save the changes but do not close it. I'm saving it, I'm not closing it. With the consultant table still open in Datasheet View, move the salary field so that it appears immediately after the start date. So this is the start date, I have to place it right there. So I'm just dragging it, okay. After the start date it is salary. Okay, add a new field following the Reside field with a field name as skill code and short text. It should be following the Reside. So this is the Reside, this is the new. After the Reside it is the new field, and I'm sending a code and also a data type of short text. You can see these are quite basic steps. So it's done. Okay, I'm doing the step number 9, but since in the step number 3 I do not have that what you can say database support file, so the data in my assignment will be different. Definitely it will be different, but you still definitely you will be having a support file, so your data will be accurate. So I'm moving to the step number 9, but make sure that you will be having a different scenario since I do not have the support file right there. So open the project table in Datasheet View. Oh, sorry, because I haven't had the support file, so I couldn't have uploaded brought it into the table of database in this database. So I think that's for this one you have to do it yourself. Let me make it for you. First of all, you have to open the table, project table in Datasheet View. Let's say this is the table. Okay, it is not the table that you're asking, but let's assume that this is the table. I'm just doing for you. Okay, this is the project table. Resize the description so that all fields are completely visible. Let's say this is the description field, so you have to stretch it to the right. When this cursor becomes a plus sign, you have to drag it up to the right until all the fields, all the text is completely visible. Now add a new field following the description field with a month and number data type. Let's say this is the month, this is the following description, this is the description field, let's say, and you have to add a new field. Just click here and click number, and a new field will appear. You have to just rename it. Now save the changes and close the table. So I have done it practically for you, okay, although it wasn't there. Next is open the consultant table in Datasheet View. Okay, consultant table is this one, it is in the Datasheet View, and delete the mobile field and save the changes. This is the mobile field. I'm just right clicking it and deleting the field. Permanent delete, yes. Okay, with the consultant table still open in Datasheet View, decrease the number of decimal places of the salary field to 0. Just click the salary field, go to table fields, and here you will find decimal places. Decrease it to 0. It has a 0 decimal places right now. Save the changes and close the table. Save and close it. I think the next ones are project related, so I will try to find that support file, and I will do the rest part with those files, because everything that is not possible for me to do without the support file. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Meanwhile, if you want me to do this project for you, just send me your files and it will be done within the next few hours. Okay, so it's a quite cheap service in terms of price, and very valuable in terms of score. So stay connected and subscribe to my channel, and also text me on the WhatsApp that is given at the top right corner. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.